Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of directory. A book that lists individuals and organizations alphabetically or topically, with details such names, addresses, phone numbers, etc. For example, there was no regular Philadelphia City Directory published in 1838. The second definition of directory. This book contains guidelines for conducting Christian worship, particularly in Roman Catholic and Presbyterian churches. For example, an all-inclusive online directory contains profiles and contact information on legislators and lobbyists. American pronunciation. Directory. Directory. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Directory. Say. Directory. Directory means book listing individuals etc. alphabetically. Directory. Directory. Directory origin. Late Middle English, in the general meaning of something that directs. It is derived from Late Latin directorium, director, governor, and dirigere, to guide. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. The online membership directory is updated quarterly to incorporate this new information. Now, repeat after me. The online membership directory is updated quarterly to incorporate this new information. The second practice. The directory, besides listing details about its members, has several other user-friendly features. Now, repeat after me. The directory, besides listing details about its members, has several other user-friendly features.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.